Hello guys, welcome to SemTechHub. If you're new here, kindly do me a favor and subscribe to this channel, and give this video a like because over here I will be posting a lot of videos on how to make money online, and a lot of simple life hacks. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to turn your iPhone device into a Samsung device within a few minutes. So before I begin this tutorial, please kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and share it as a valuable resource to all those who may need it. And without wasting much time, let's jump right into the video. First, click and open the Safari browser on your iPhone device. After that, type this. Try Galaxy.com. This homepage will appear. After that, follow the instructions and tap on the share icon at the bottom of your screen. Scroll down the pop-up menu till you see Add to the home screen option. After that, click on Add. This will automatically save it as an app on your iPhone. Click on the Try Galaxy app and let's turn the iPhone into a Samsung device. Welcome to the other side. You're about to get a little taste of Samsung Galaxy, without changing phones. Click on Next. Click on Next again. Now our iPhone has turned to a Samsung model. Let us explore the features. So that is it guys, a very simple tutorial on how to turn your iPhone into a Samsung device, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, share this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will see you again in the next video. Peace.